Bababa tayo.
Hurts.
Hindi naman kwan yan. Di ba nilinis naman nila?
No, it's getting pushed together because I need to get my wisdom tooth out. I feel it
Kami
going
naman,
in.
hindi naman namin nilinis yung wisdom tooth until when we are so old.
See, look. It's going in.
Okay.
You see it?
Oo. Get ready, we're on the next.
Huh?
Stop na tayo.
Here?
That's our kwan, mag-stop na. Diba, Daddy? Yung stop na tayo.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're now approaching Whitechapel. Any passengers for Stanford will need to change here and make your way across to the adjacent platform for the next Sheffield service.
Change here for trains towards
This is
Sheffield
the flight service to Heathrow
via
Terminal 4,
Stratford.
and we're now arriving at Whitechapel.
Whitechapel, there you go.
We are now arriving at Whitechapel. Change here for trains to Shenfield via Stratford.
Sheffield via Stratford. Yeah. Here. Ito maganda. Oo, maganda to. Malamig pa. Oh, I see. Elizabeth line. So hindi pa magta-top out. Hindi pa. And then that's when. Okay.
Right side, yeah?
Yeah. Right side. It says because every journey matters. Please stand. Huh? Okay. Please stand on the right. Always need to be. Here we are. Follow Kuya Miko. Our. Whew. Let's go, Kuya. Hindi tayo pupunta doon this way. Because we're gonna change line. Oh, okay. Oh, bilis. tamang-tama.
Perfect timing.
Yay!
15 minutes.
Oh my world. Maaga. Oh,
We let them off first.
oh, out muna sila. Sila muna. Yes, it makes sense, of course.
And then you get on.
Okay, tara na. Ah. Basag. Ah. Ayaw. Sira. Oh. Okay, daddy. Ikaw ang magpindot. Tingin dito. Pagod. Mga oily ang faces. Tapos, we're going down to Denmark Hill. Yung pinanggalingan natin. Ay, na-miss ko na. This is a Windrush Line train to Clapham Junction. The next station is Shadwell. You must have a valid ticket, Oyster card, in which we have our bank card to use this. The next station is Shadwell. Okay. I want to listen to the sound.
The next station is Wapping. Customers please note that you can only alight from the front four coaches as this station has a short platform. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train.
This is coach number 5 of 5.
Windrush Line train to Clapham Junction. The next station is Rotherhithe. The next station is Rotherhithe. Customers please note that you can only alight from the front four coaches as this station has a short platform. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train.
This is coach number 5 of 5.
You can only alight from the front four coaches as this station has a short platform. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train.
Okay.
This is coach number 5 of 5.
Dito na. London Underground.
From here, right?
Dito? Ah, hindi po.
Denmark Hill.
Oh, Denmark Hill. Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, we
Balik
got off
pala
here when
doon.
we went to Greenwich, to O2.
Oh.
Sorry, you must have a valid ticket, Oyster card or bank card to use this train. If you do not, you may have to pay a penalty fare.
tickets here. Andito na tayo.
Where are we going?
Balik na doon sa Denmark Hill. Denmark Hill. Nakahabol pa siya. Mga tao dito, takbo lang.
Oh, wait,
Ay. Keep left, do not run, use the handrail.
you know money piece though? It's kind of like that. Nuri is a money piece. You're like a
Left. So we're gonna tap out again our Oyster card. Yan, buti. You already did. Ay. Hindi siya talaga nagpipay attention. Wala talaga itong babaeng to. Check.
Have a train, but already paid that train from
Okay.
Victoria. From Victoria is your train to Southampton. Oh, okay, that's fine. Back cancel. I don't know. I don't know what the plan of your mom does.
Oh, mas mababa siya. Eh. Whew. Trafalgar.
What time is your mass?
Oyster top up
It's
and
different on
shows
yeah, it's different on the.
at £5 confirm. Now pay.
Okay, however you pay, it says card being checked,
Card being checked.
and then now leave it there.
Check.
But make sure you don't remove it. You hold it there
I'll
until
hold
it
it
says
there.
it's okay.
Okay, and then oyster. Leave
So
it.
now I double check. There.
12.60. There you go. Gotcha. Thank you. Whew. Something's good is waiting. It smells delicious. Just around here now. Oh, look at this. We're going in there? I don't know. I'm not sure. You have to talk to call.
For that one. Oh.
Oh, right there. Just eat.